In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite an accounting firm to collaborate with you on QuickBooks. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or are looking to enhance your collaboration with professional accountants, this guide will help you get set up quickly and efficiently. So let's dive in. First, you'll need to navigate to the QuickBooks homepage. Once you're there, you'll notice several icons at the top of the page. Your next step is to find and click on the settings icon, which is typically represented by a gear symbol. This icon is your gateway to numerous customization options and setup tools within QuickBooks, making it an essential feature for managing your accounting preferences and user settings. After clicking the settings icon, you'll see a menu drop down. From this list, look for the Manage Users option and go ahead and select it. This section is crucial, as it allows you to control who can access your financial data and what permissions they have. It's an important tool for both security and collaborative efficiency. Once you're in the Manage Users section, the next step is to select Accounting Firms. This is where you can add or adjust the settings for accounting professionals who need access to your financial information. By effectively managing this section, you can ensure that your accountant has the tools necessary to assist you, while also maintaining control over sensitive data. Now, you're going to reach the Invite button. Click on Invite, and this will allow you to enter the details of the accounting firm or professional you wish to invite. It's designed to be straightforward, guiding you seamlessly through the process so that you can start collaborating in no time. In the fields that appear, begin by typing the first name of the main contact person at the accounting firm. Being precise and accurate here is important. It ensures that the correct person receives the invitation and can address any queries related to the partnership. Next, you'll move on to enter the last name of the contact. Entering both names helps QuickBooks create a clear and complete record of who will be accessing your financial data, which aids in easy verification and communication. Following that, you'll want to type in the email address of the contact. Ensure that you enter this accurately, as a mistake could lead to delays or the invite not being received. The email serves as the primary method through which the invitation will be sent, making it a crucial step in the process. Finally, after double-checking that all the contact information is correct, click on Save. Saving solidifies the invitation, sending out an email to the firm or accountant you've invited, and creating a new user entry within your QuickBooks account. And there you have it. You've successfully invited an accounting firm to collaborate with you on QuickBooks. Utilizing this guide ensures that your financial data is securely managed and shared with your accounting partners, enhancing your business's operational effectiveness. Thank you for joining me in today's guide, and happy bookkeeping.